Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to remove drafts from your favorites in Outlook on PC, following the latest update. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or just prefer a cleaner view, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, open Outlook from your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account and have access to your email dashboard. Once you're in, locate the navigation bar at the top of the page. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on them to expand the menu. Next, look for the Drafts folder in your Favorites section. Once you find it, hover over it and click on the 3 dots located right next to it. This will open a small drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select Remove from Favorites. With just one click, the Drafts folder will be removed from your Favorites list. Don't worry. This action only removes the shortcut from Favorites. It doesn't delete your drafts or affect their content in any way. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your Favorites section by removing drafts. This method works seamlessly with the updated version of Outlook on PC, ensuring that you can customize your workspace to suit your needs. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, feel free to share it with others who might find it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on using Outlook efficiently. See you in the next video.